Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. Yep, the Camburglar came by and snatched up my GoPro. Y'all stick around. Guys, I'm glad you stuck around. I've been riding around the United States, mainly on the east side of the United States for the last 6 months. And I'm going to be riding the next 6 months on the west part of the United States, tentatively so far. I'm doing this to raise awareness and money for the cure of diabetes in memory of my son. I stopped at this gas station to fill up. My camera was actually still running. I forgot to turn it off. I had to go in and get my receipt. I went in and got my receipt, came back out, and the camera was gone. Now, they actually knew how to take the camera off because they just didn't rip it off and break it. So, yeah, they stole the camera. Well, the whole purpose of this video is that I've had friends ask me to go ahead and put it out because I wasn't going to do this, but I need another GoPro. If anybody has a GoPro 3 Plus or better that they would like to donate to my cause, it would be greatly appreciated. My email address is right here and my phone number is right here. If you have something that I might could use to continue making videos, it would be great. And I have another GoPro, but it's halfway gone, but it works pretty much only doing time-lapse, so I use it as my time-lapse camera. So another GoPro would be good. Otherwise, hope everybody has a great year. I know I'm going to. I'm also going to be focusing more on the raising money part here because I've been doing an awesome job raising awareness for the cure of diabetes. So you guys click on that subscribe button down below and then hammer the hell out of that bell and you'll be able to follow me on all my adventures. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think. And I'll catch y'all on the road. Thanks, guys. Alright. Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. Losing my voice. I'm gonna let's start over. I stopped at this stash. So if anybody has a GoPro,
Lone Star